Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I am really excited because I need to do something that I haven't done in a very long time, which is clean out and declutter my closet. The last time I did this was a little over 2 years ago. My husband and I, we were stationed in Hawaii and we were PCSing back to the mainland, and we decided we needed to declutter the house, get it as clean as possible, and get rid of as many items as possible for when we moved. And we basically did the KonMari method, and we got rid of so much stuff. We literally went through all of our things, our clothes, the kitchen, just like every room in our house, and we were like, what sparks us joy, what doesn't? And like I said, we got rid of so much stuff. By the way, I'm so sorry if there's background noise, but it is very windy today and the wind is very loud. But anyways, I decided that with it being the new year, that it would be a perfect time to basically go through my closet and declutter a bunch of stuff, get rid of clothes that I don't really wear anymore and that I don't need. I have been really into the minimalistic vibe and just not really having a whole lot and just having like a super stress-free environment. And when I thought about it, I was like, you know what? Like, I'm not somebody who is really trendy when it comes to clothes. I wish I was, but I'm not. And I am just such a jeans and a t-shirt kind of gal. Super simple. Like right now I'm just wearing like a basic t-shirt and like leggings. Like I'm super comfy and casual like that. That's who I am. I do have some dress up pieces, but I'm not somebody that's always with the latest trends and whatnot. And so I figured, you know what? Why don't I just get rid of the stuff that I don't wear or that I haven't worn in a year and just start fresh and clean and simple. Obviously, like over time, yes, I will get new jeans, or if I see like a t-shirt that I like, I'll get it. But trying to not buy as much as I can this year and just keeping it minimal. And like I said, just like stress-free and just easygoing. And that's kind of like my vibe that I'm going for this year. So yeah, I'm really excited to declutter my closet and see what I get rid of. I might try and sell some stuff on Poshmark. I've never done that before. I don't have an account, but I know a lot of people do that. So if I have some items that are still in really good condition, I might consider selling them or giving them away. I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of gonna see where this whole thing takes me. But anyways, yes, we're gonna declutter my closet, my dresser drawers, and see how much stuff we can get rid of. So if this is your guys' kind of thing, or if you need some like cleaning and decluttering motivation, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get to cleaning and decluttering. Okay guys, so here is all of my clothes that were hanging in my closet. As you can see, it's like super empty now. Also, some of these clothes are from my other closet that are in my beauty room, which majority were like business type of clothes because my last job that I worked front desk at a clinic. And so I wore a lot of like business casual type of clothes, which I haven't worn in a long time. So I'm probably gonna be getting rid of a lot of those clothes and just kind of keeping basic like dress pants and a couple of blouses and getting rid of a lot of other stuff that I like never really wear, that kind of stuff. So that's what's in my closet so far. Still have to go through like my drawers and then like my nightstand area down there, which we will do later on in the video. But for right now, I'm gonna start going through all of these clothes and just pretty much throwing out what I don't think that I will wear, what maybe doesn't fit me or that I don't like anymore, and kind of see where we end up. Okay guys, so we have two piles. This far pile over here is what I'm deciding to toss, get rid of, or sell depending on how worn some of the clothes are. And then this is what I'm going to keep. I know it still looks like a lot, but this is a mixture of like everyday wear as far as like dress wear. So some of this I'm not going to wear every day. It's just nice to keep in my closet just in case. So I'm going to fold up all of the clothes that I don't want, kind of decide what I'm going to toss and what I might consider like selling or getting rid of or like giving away. And then these I'm going to fold and put back in the closet, and then we will start on my dressers. Okay, so I just finished folding most of the clothes that I'm deciding to keep and try and sell. So I have this pile over here of just a bunch of different types of clothes that I think I could maybe sell or give away. Like this is a really nice ball gown that I've only worn once. This is like business style or like party type of dresses. I have like business pants over here, cardigans, blouses, all over the place that are still in really good condition. I just, you know, don't ever wear them anymore, and so there's no really use in me keeping them. I do have this pile down here of stuff that I am just going to throw away because they're either really, really old, I've had them for like years and years, they're ripped, they're tattered, and they're not worth giving away to anybody, and they just need to go in the trash. And then I do have this pile that I am deciding to keep, and like I said, they are a mixture of business clothes, regular clothes that I keep or that I will usually generally wear. So I'm going to put majority of this back into my closet over here, and we will see how empty my closet feels afterwards. But I feel like we're making progress so far. I've already gotten rid of this stuff and then the stuff back there, and then I still have to go through my drawers, but I feel like we're getting somewhere, so. Alrighty, so I hung up everything, and this is what my closet looks like now. It still looks kind of full, but trust me, I got rid of a lot of stuff. And then over here, I did put some of my more like formal stuff. So I have sweaters that I don't really wear a lot, but that I might wear, like pull out if it gets cold. I just have some jackets and fleeces over here, some blazers. I have a couple dress pants and then a couple dresses for like parties or whatnot or business that I decided to keep, and then a couple of Diggins shirts. And then over here, I went ahead and pulled out all of my shirts that were in this drawer. Down below here, a bunch of jeans. I honestly like hardly wear any of these jeans. I wear like 2, 3 maybe jeans that are in here, so I'm definitely going to be getting rid of some of the jeans in here. And then down below are just some sweatshirts. So I'm going to go through my t-shirt pile, pull out the jeans, and do the same thing, and then we will see kind of where we're at as far as like clothes. I feel like there is clothes just like everywhere. This bin is all clean clothes that I pretty much always wear, so I know I'm pretty much not going to be getting rid of a lot of these clothes because obviously if I just wash them, I'm wearing them. So I don't know if I'm going to go through here as much, but definitely I'll probably be getting rid of some of the shirts in this pile as well as some jeans. Alrighty, so I have officially gone through all of my clothes, organized it, and put it back. So I want to show you guys kind of like how everything looks right now. So this is my closet. Now I know it doesn't look like I really got rid of anything, but actually a lot of my clothes that I had in my dresser, which is behind you guys, I actually put up here so that I don't have like as many like wrinkles in my clothes, and it's just easier to put away if I hang it. So even though it looks like I literally got rid of nothing, I promise I did get rid of a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys kind of how I organized it. To start things off, you can't really like see too far back here, but I just have a couple jackets. I have some dresses, which are like just super casual, like long sleeve dresses, tank top dresses. I have some cardigans right here, some sweaters that I wear quite often. Next, I just have some long sleeves, some just like throw over denim. I don't know the official name for this, but you know what it is. I have a couple just like long sleeve blouses. This is like a cute, simple white blouse that I like to wear with some jeans. It's really versatile. This is another cute blouse that I've had for years and years and years. It's from Lucky Brand, which I love the Lucky brand, and I don't ever really wear this shirt at all, but I don't have the heart to throw it away because it was so expensive, and I just think it's so gorgeous. So it just stays in my wardrobe, and one of these days I'll eventually wear it. I cannot, that's like the one piece item that I've always had trouble throwing away for some reason because it's just so pretty. Next, I just have a bunch of basic t-shirts that I wear with like jeans and whatnot, nothing fancy, along with a lot of my tank tops. Some of them are workout tank tops. Some of them are little like camis, spaghetti straps, stuff like that. And then I have a few like tank top blouses that I like to wear. And then next, I just have some of these like really comfy pants. I got these from Old Navy, I believe. And they're just like super light and airy, like cotton pants that I like to wear, especially during the summer, because here in Texas, it gets so hot. So having breathable clothing during the hot months is very important. And then lastly, I just stuck my robes over here. I just have a couple robes that I like to usually lounge in when I'm not filming. You can find me in a robe. Okay, the lighting might be a little bit darker, but I also wanted to show you guys. This is like a wall length walk-in closet. So that first part is like right over this way. And I usually don't put anything over here, but I figured since I have the space for it, why not? So I pretty much just put all of my thicker sweaters in here that I usually wear for winter. Don't wear all the time, but I like to have them handy. I have my jackets, my fleece pullovers, a couple nice blazers, my dress pants and slacks if I ever need to wear something like that, some other dresses and whatnot, and then my only Christmas sweater that I have. So that is pretty much the closet and how it looks. Like I said, it does look really full, but I promise I got rid of a lot of stuff. I do want to show you my dressers though, and my drawers, because those are like empty now because I put a lot of the stuff in my closet. Okay, so this is my main dresser. Dagan actually uses this half and I use this half, which I didn't do any of his clothes today. That's something that he can do. And this is all the clothes that I'm going to be tossing and throwing away because they were just damaged or torn, or I've had them for a long time. So I at least got rid of one full bag of trash of like clothes, which is good. So here is the first drawer. And as you can see, there is like nothing in here. This used to be filled with all t-shirts, and I got rid of just stuff that I wasn't wearing and that I haven't worn for years. And these are pretty much all I have left. I do have a little bit of dirty clothes, but honestly, it's not much at all. So this probably won't even be halfway filled. Next, we have our jeans and shorts. So I pretty much wear these 3 jeans the most. These are just like basic skinny jeans, black pair of skinny jeans. These are more of a flare out-ish jeans that I like to wear with like my cowgirl boots. And then these are just a couple pair of shorts that I wear during the summer, but that is pretty much all I wear. Pretty much live in like these pants, and then when I want to wear like skinny jeans, these ones. So I got rid of a lot of my pants. And then lastly, I just have sweatshirts down here, sweaters, different color sweatshirts and whatnot. I love gray, but y'all, I didn't really get rid of any of my sweatshirts because I love my sweatshirts, so that didn't really change at all. And then down here, I know the lighting might not be the best, but these are all of my sweatpants and like workout pants. So down here I have my shorts, I have some sweatpants. I love these little pajama bottoms. I got them from Old Navy during the Black Friday sale, and I love them so much. Regular, just sweatpants. These are actually Dagan's that I stole. And then these are just like workout leggings, bicycle shorts, those kind of things. And then in these 2 drawers are just like my sock and underwear drawer, which I'm not going to show you because you don't need to see that, but I did clean those out. And then lastly, this is the pile of clothes, which I showed you guys before, but I did add to it a little bit of everything that I'm gonna probably go through one more time and just see if there's anything that I could sell, put on Poshmark, or if anybody needs, I will gladly give away. But I feel like this is a lot. If you look at it, like that's a lot of clothes, and I wasn't ever wearing any of those. So I feel like I did a good job of getting rid of that and then just throwing those over there in the trash. Alrighty guys, so I just wanted to close out this video. It is way later now and dark outside, so hopefully the lighting is not too bad, but it feels so good to get rid of like so much stuff and to just have way less clothes in my closet, because honestly, I don't know about you, you know how when you have like so much clothes, you sometimes get overwhelmed with what you want to wear because you can't decide. I feel like this is just gonna be way easier, and like I said, I'm super casual when it comes to clothes. Jeans and a t-shirt is my style, and so I feel like this is gonna be like a lot less stressful, and I'm gonna do my very best this year to not buy clothes I don't need. Like, I already have so many t-shirts, I don't need to buy another like plain white well, actually I might need to buy like a plain white t-shirt, because I did notice it has like a little bit of a pink tint to it from going in the washing machine, so I might need to buy another white t-shirt. But other than that, just like stuff that I already have, I don't need a duplicate of it. So I'm gonna try my very best to not buy clothes that I don't need and not trying to keep up with the latest trends, because honestly, I'm a comfy gal and it's just not my style and not my thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more types of videos like this where I declutter, get rid of stuff, or organize. I know I really need to go through our kitchen and not necessarily like get rid of stuff, because we already don't really have a lot in our kitchen, but maybe like organize. That could be a good video. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know that you stopped by, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.